Hi you guys, so I have already cleansed my face in the shower and I cleansed my face with the Image or Medic cleanser. So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn my steamer on. I have my favorite enzyme right here, the lemon zest enzyme that you guys see me use on so many treatments in the treatment room. I had the first PM facial routine on cinematic mode, but I'm not actually using my main phone right now, and this phone doesn't have cinematic mode. I don't know why. With all the fabulous updates, why doesn't cinematic mode automatically get on all the phones? Who knows? I told y'all your girl is going to be doing a lot more skincare videos on myself and just simply taking better care of my skin. I do a pretty good job, but I need to make sure I'm doing like these deeper penetrating treatments on myself too. This is gonna stay on the skin for, I'm gonna give myself a good 15 minutes. I know my skin and your girl has been feeling extremely dull. No radiance. That's how I feel now. Y'all could be looking at me and saying, girl, you tripping. Big time. But we all see ourselves differently. Do we not? So I will let this stay on the skin for a good amount of time. And then I'm actually going to be taking it off with some circle rounds this evening instead of a regular cloth like I normally use. Just to keep down on having to do unnecessary laundry, your girl is going to be using circle rounds. I'll see y'all when it's time to take it off. For the next 30 seconds, I am removing this enzyme. The only reason that I do not have the sound on is because I am currently on the phone with my Esty bestie and y'all cannot hear the combo. No, I'm just kidding. For real, you can't hear it, and for real, I am on the phone. But just removing it real gentle and making sure that everything is off before I go into the next step. Child, this steam is pushing out. Do y'all see this? My at-home steamer is the bomb. In-spa steamer is the bomb. Y'all know where to look for it. Amazon store, link in the description. All right, y'all, so I have removed the enzyme. My face is a little red in certain areas, which is to be expected. To start the dermaplaning, I'm going to use a combination of the Eczema Honey Nourishing Facial Serum as well as the Clearance Blue Orchid Treatment Oil. And this is for dehydrated skin. I haven't used this in some time, but I know when I was using it actively, my skin really liked it. This is probably like a lot unless I'm dropping the water. I'm gonna rub it in generously, and then y'all know the deal. I'm going to start my dermaplaning. This is a lot of oil. I don't even put this much oil on my clients, but I'm special. I do what I do to my own skin because I can. Okay, so for the next 7 minutes and 20 seconds or so, I left in a chunk of this part of the treatment, y'all, for y'all, because I know a lot of people may have questions about how to dermaplane certain areas on the face. The nose being an extremely delicate area. Not everyone dermaplanes the nose. Me, myself, I try to do it on as many clients as I can. Honestly, it just feels like if I'm feeling it for the day, I'll do it on my clients. If I don't, then I kind of just leave it alone because it's just an area where it's too many different angles and the possibility of like messing up or cutting somebody is just too high. But I definitely do it on myself because it's just different. It's different working on yourself versus working on another person. You guys, now that that is done, I want to address something. So someone decided to leave this comment on my page under the hydrofacial video titled Hydrofacial with me doing the hydrodermabrasion treatment and the oxygen treatment. First red flag, she decided to start this whole comment with a compliment. She could have definitely kept the compliment because it was not needed. But I'm going to read it out for y'all, and I'm going to dissect this, and I'm going to get to the bottom of it and let y'all know now this will not be tolerated. I honestly don't care about anyone's opinion. If it's going to be negative, it's like an asshole. Everyone has one. So let's get into this. Hey, Leah, love your videos. Please take down the name in all caps, Hydrofacial, if you are all caps, not using the actual patented all caps Hydrofacial machine. The company can sue you for the name, for using the name, because they have it patented it. My boss bought the actual Hydrofacial machine for our spa, and we had training, and there are actual certifications for their machine. They are very strict on their name. Getting into dissecting this comment, number one, I in no way compare the machine that I am using to the actual patented, copyrighted, trademark name Hydrofacial. That is number one. Never compared it. Never said that it was the same thing or they did the same thing. Never. So let's let that be known. Two, I am not selling, marketing, or making money off of this machine. I am simply using a title, a word, a whatever you want to call it, a caption to title a video. It is a very far stretch to claim that a company that you have no direct contact with, whatever person in the business has direct contact with this one individual who is an actual employee of an employer who purchased the machine. Okay, that's number two. Number three, I am not negatively speaking on the brand. I am not using any slander with this name. I am simply using it as a caption. Number four, she is definitely trying to fight where a fight is not necessary. Once again, she is an employee of an employer who purchased the machine, and using the actual certifications and the actual, it's just wordy for you trying to somewhat tell me, hey, you shouldn't do this. Let me just let you know why you shouldn't do this and you should remove this. Not needed, not taking advantage of it, nothing. Could have kept it, don't care, still staying the same. Title is not changing and probably going to use the name again. Number five, and going on from here, this is where people simply put their noses where they shouldn't have. Caps are all meaningless. Nobody cares if you put caps on everything. Don't care. And moving on from that, no one is going to sue me for using this name. Have you searched YouTube? There are hundreds of thousands, like seriously, thousands of videos with the title Hydrofacial. The machine is not actually in the video. So my last question and point on this is, did you take the time to comment on every other person's video or just mine? I'm going to just show y'all a few. I rest my case. If anyone else is ever feeling a need to express whatever I shouldn't or I should be doing, just save it. Seriously. Back to the reason why we are all here. I'm going to go ahead and complete my dermaplaning, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Like, for real. We got about 3 minutes left on the dermaplaning process. I'm going to go ahead and work my way over to the other side of my face, and then it's going to be time to mask. Now that I'm finished, I'm going to discard of my blade in this safety box. And here is what is from the skin, the hair, left over from the dermaplaning. Now I'm going to go in with my O2 Lift Oxygenating Facial Mask. The foaming action bubbles from this mask on contact provide an invigorating burst and refresh to the skin. And you can literally feel the oxygen bubbles coming to life and popping. It's so neat to feel, and it's kind of like, once it's around the nose, it is like a really tingly, not tingly, but like itchy feeling because it's bubbles. This mask also helps to brighten and illuminate dull skin, and it helps to refine uneven skin texture. Whew, you guys, it is time to take this mask off. I'm once again going to be using these circle rounds, these cotton rounds, and I'm going to just simply wipe it off my face. What y'all rating my skin? What are y'all rating it? What are we going to rate it? Like, how does it look so far? I am going to put some moisturizer on. I think I'm going to use the vitamin C, just because your girl's face is really exposed and refreshed right now. So what better than to put on the potency? So going back in with my Peter Thomas Roth Potent C Serum. Y'all know my favorite. If y'all watch my night routine or my products that I'm using right now, my January favorite video, y'all know that I was bragging about this product. So y'all stay tuned for the February video, because y'all know I'm going to be dropping all new products, and y'all really want to pay attention. That's all I'm gonna say. And I'm going to be honest, I really don't want anything too heavy on my skin going to sleep after dermaplaning. So I am going to probably just wrap it up with this product, and this is the complete look. I got a little bit of cotton on me, a little here and there. Your girl is tired, and I got a long day tomorrow. Got a long day tomorrow, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all let me know what kind of content y'all trying to see from me, where I am on the camera and it is not in the treatment room. So I'm gonna do my best to bring that to y'all. Love y'all so much. Thank you for all the support. See y'all soon. Good night. About to get some beauty rest.